Running out of fuel in the middle of nowhere? Pushing your car to the nearest gas station? Those days are over. The VEVOR Jerry Can is here to solve your fuel storage problems once and for all. This isn't just any ordinary fuel container. It's a military-grade solution that's built to last. Mention link in description. Built like a tank. The VEVOR Jerry Can immediately catches your attention with its robust military-style construction. And honestly, when you first pick this up, you can feel the quality. It's made from 0.8mm cold-rolled steel that's thick enough to support a grown man's weight. The 5.3-gallon capacity strikes the perfect balance. It's large enough to get you out of trouble, but not so heavy that you can't handle it. You know what I appreciate most? The compact dimensions of 13.6 inches by 6.7 inches by 18.5 inches mean it fits perfectly in your trunk without taking up excessive space. Smart design. Here's the thing about this VEVOR Jerry Can. Every detail has been thought through. The rust-proof black coating isn't just for looks, it actually protects the steel from corrosion over time. Because let's face it, fuel cans often get stored in less than ideal conditions, and this coating ensures longevity. The concave bottom edge is a clever touch that reduces wear when you're sliding it around. If you've ever used cheap fuel cans, you'll know how quickly they get damaged at the bottom. This design prevents that issue entirely. Zero leaks, zero worries. Now let's talk about the sealing system. This is where the VEVOR Jerry Can truly shines. The airtight sealing gasket creates a complete seal that prevents any leakage or fumes from escaping. I do appreciate that you can literally place this on your back seat without worrying about fuel odors. The anti-slide locking pin adds an extra layer of security. It's designed so that only manual operation can unlock it, which prevents accidental spills during transport. You don't have to worry about it opening unexpectedly when you're driving over bumps. Flexible spout game changer. Here's where this product really stands out from the competition. The 12-inch flexible spout system is absolutely brilliant. Unlike those rigid spouts that make refueling a nightmare, this one bends to any angle you need. The high flow rate design means you're not standing there for ages waiting for your tank to fill. It's efficient, precise, and user-friendly. Exactly what you want when you're dealing with fuel. However, I should mention one minor critique. The spout can be a bit stiff when it's new, so you might need to work it a few times to get it perfectly flexible. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for the durability it provides. Portability. The ergonomic handles make this VEVOR Jerry Can surprisingly easy to manage. At 9.83 pounds when empty, it's light enough for one person to handle, but the dual handles allow for two-person lifting when it's full. Because when you're dealing with over 40 pounds of fuel, having that extra grip point makes all the difference. The compact design means it stores easily in your vehicle, garage, or workshop. It doesn't take up valuable space, yet it provides that peace of mind knowing you have emergency fuel available. Features you may be looking for: military-grade construction, leak-proof sealing system, flexible spout technology, rust-proof coating, ergonomic portability. Final opinion. After thoroughly testing this VEVOR Jerry Can, I can confidently say it's one of the best fuel storage solutions available. The military-grade construction gives you confidence in its durability, while the flexible spout system makes actual use a pleasure rather than a chore. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.